To only match total point. In the previous video, we discussed class 10th topic progressions, third sum of exercise 6.2. We covered first sum, right? In this video, we are going to cover second sum and the remaining sums also. Okay, first see the question. What is given? A2, the second term is given as 13, and A4, fourth term is given as 3. They're asking to find first term and the third term. Okay, here we don't know the common difference and the first term. So if you know those two terms, then you can find any number in the given series. Okay, let's solve. See guys, what is given? First mention that as a given that A2 or second term T2 in nothing but 13, and A4 or T4, you can represent either A with letter A or with letter small t. Okay, both are same. A4 or T4. Fourth term is given as 3. They are asking to find first term in nothing but A1, third term in nothing but A3. Or you can represent either T1 or T3 also. Okay, then see, whenever you are solving any sum, first write down what is given in the question, then what to find, then you write the formula related to that. Okay, step by step. Then if at all the sum was wrong also, you may get a minimum marks because you are writing the formulas, right? So please follow this notation guys. Okay, so what is general term or nth term of an AP? General term of an AP or nth term of an AP is both the same. So it given as Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where Tn is the nth term, A is the first term, okay, and D is the common difference. Okay, for D also we have formula. D is called as the common difference. The formula to find the common difference is T2 minus T1, second term minus first term, T3 minus T2, third term minus second term, so on, Tn minus 1. Okay. As I said in the starting of this problem, that if we know first term and the common difference, then you can find any number, any term in the given series guys. But in the given question, we don't know first term, okay, we don't know common difference. In the given question, they gave second term in nothing but A2 and they gave fourth term in nothing but A4. Okay, so first of all, we have to find first term and a common difference. If you find those two, then it will be very easy to find any term in the given series. First write down T2 is given as 13, right? So substitute whatever the available values in the given formula. A plus n minus 1 into T. Take that formula. A we don't know, then in first term, where n value is given as second term, okay? Tn, so n value is given as 2, so 2 minus 1 into D value also we don't know. So A plus 2 minus 1, 1 into D. So A plus D in nothing but 13 because T2 is given as 13, right? So A plus D equal to 13, keep it as equation 1. Similarly, T4 is given as 3, right? Okay, again substitute in the same formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So Tn, n value is given as 4, A value we don't know, D value also we don't know. Okay, substitute in the formula. A plus 3D because 4 minus 1, 3 into D. And T4 is given as 3. So mention in RHS part. Okay, so we got these two equations, right, in terms of A and D. So now you can solve by eliminating either A or D. So solving 1 and 2 for finding A or T1 or first term or D value. So solving method guys. How to solve? A plus d minus 13 equal to 0. First equation. A plus 3d minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. While solving, the signs will be differ. So we get minus 2d minus 10. So minus 2d equal to 10. Therefore d equal to minus 5 guys. Okay. We got d value. Then how to find a value? So substitute the d value in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or 2. Okay, so I am substituting in the equation 1. You can substitute any equation, you will get the same value. Substitute d equal to minus 5 in either equation 1 or 2. So what we get? A plus d equal to 13. I am substituting in the first equation. So a value we don't know. So a plus d value we got as minus 5 equal to 13. So a minus 5 minus 13 equal to 0. Because I am sending 13 to LHS, it become minus. Okay, a minus 18 equal to 0. A equal to 18. Because I am sending minus 18 to RHS, it become plus 18. Therefore, a value is nothing but t1, right? First term. So t1 equal to 18. So now we got a value and d value, right? So then you can find any term in the given series, guys. But they are asking to find the first term and the third term, right? First term is nothing but already we got, that is t1 equal to 18, right? So t3, how can we find t3? Again, use the same formula, tn formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n value is nothing but 3. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. Nothing but a plus 2d. A value we got as 18 plus 2 into d value we got as minus 5. Substitute that and simplify. 18 minus 10, nothing but 8. Therefore, we got d value equal to 8. Okay, and a first term we got as 18. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. In the next video, we are going to cover the remaining sums. Okay, thank you for watching.